Hi, Greg over at DIY RV and Home Campers Life. Today we are installing a handle for our screen door by RVGUARD. We're going to be sticking it on that door right there. Yes, that screen door right there. What do we need? We need an 1/8 inch drill bit. I'm going to use a little bit of tape to help get it in position, then secure it, and then do some drilling. We've got the instructions, the pieces. Now this comes in multiple pieces. So this will fit a 21 5/8 to a 28 5/8 door. Where we're going to be installing it is right in this general area, right here and right here. I'm going to grab one of those caps real quick, show you. So that cap will be located like right there, screwed in to the frame, and the entire assembly will be secured with screws. That's where we need the drill bit from. So let's get this thing partially assembled, and we'll get her installed. So we're going to take 4 of the screws and we're going to attach the end pieces to the aluminum tube. We'll then assemble all of it together, take it over and set it to the screen door, get the proper length. I'm going to use black tape to secure all the pieces together so that I can come back over, pre-drill, and then put the rest of the screws in. Then we'll take it back over and we will then go ahead and attach it to the frame of the screen door. Okay, we have the pieces attached together. Now we're just going to go ahead and slide them all together. There is the assembly. We're going to grab our tape, come over, and we are going to go ahead and get the size that we need. We'll put tape to secure it together, then we can go back over and pre-drill it. Just as a note, you want to make sure that you're on the frame itself of the screen door, not your frame of your door. And also you want to make sure that when it's closed that this does not run into the frame. So just take your time. I know kind of dark here, but find the proper location for it. So one last thing I did do before I put the tape on for the position is I went and I took my tape and I checked measurements between this point and this point, and made it even on both sides. Then I put my tape around it and I got my holes where I can pre-drill and put my screws in, and we've got it aligned right there, and right over there we've got it lined also. So now it's just time to go and drill it and then put the screws in for it to hold it all in place. So I drilled one hole, put the screw in on each side. Now I'm just going to double check and make sure that it's how I want it. We're lined up there and we're lined up on that side. So I say I'm happy with that. Now I can go ahead, drill the other 2 holes and finish securing this. Then we'll take this, set it on the screen and mark the location for our other holes, get them drilled, and then we'll use the 4 number 8x1/2 screws to finish the install. We've got all the screws installed. Now we just need to decide where we're going to install it. I think I want it right there, so I'm going to go ahead and get me 1 hole drilled. Then I can get it mounted, and then I can come over, get it leveled out, squared up, whatever you want to call it, get the other one drilled on the opposite side, and then finish it off with the last 2. The only issue I really had was the screws that they sent to mount the bar to the frame were a bigger diameter, and when I did go and try to install it. I ended up breaking the screw, so I had to extract it. I went ahead and grabbed some a little bit smaller screws by 1/2 inch and installed them in place, and it works beautiful. So just keep that in mind, that you might have to use just a touch bigger of a bit, or get you just a one size smaller screw by 1/2 inch. There you go. Oops. There we go. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and until next time, happy camping.